मौजूद हैं सांदल कॉलेज फैसलाबाद में। यहाँ पे बहुत ही प्यारा जो इवेंट है बच्चों के जो प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एनुअल वो हो रहा है।
Ahmed Abdullah. And first position goes to Mohammad Ibrahim from Sassain House.
इधर आ जाइए।
And now the position holders of class 4.
मियां साहब फैकल्टी मेंबर फैसलाबाद में एजुकेशन के लिए क्या किया जा रहा है?
आपका होस्ट नुमान न्यूज़ टुडे के साथ आज मौजूद हैं सांदल कॉलेज फैसलाबाद में। यहाँ पे बहुत ही प्यारा जो इवेंट है बच्चों के जो प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एनुअल वो हो रहा है और बच्चों के और पेरेंट्स के चेहरों पर बड़ी मुस्कुराहटें हैं। जिन लोगों ने अपनी पोजीशंस ली हैं वो बड़े मोटिवेटेड हैं और जो बच्चे पोजीशन नहीं कर सके तो वो भी इंशाल्लाह बड़े मोटिवेटेड होंगे। तो हम आज प्रोग्राम का बाकी अहवाल सर आपको दिखाते हैं।
Third position goes to Mufliha Mujahid from Aisha House. Mufliha is receiving her medal. Please clap for her. Second position goes to Mohammad Isa from Iqbal House. And first position goes to Hamda Farhan from Jinnah House. Hamda is receiving her medal with a smiley face. Class 1B. Third position goes to Mohammad Hassan Fareed from Jawhar House. Second position goes to Buria Fatima from Fatima House. And second position is shared by Fatima Zahid from Jinnah House. Fatima Zahid. Please clap for Fatima Zahid. And first position goes to Mohammad Furqan Shaukar from Iqbal House. He has scored 99.57%. Now the position holders of class 1E. Third position goes to Kareem Kamran from Jawhar House. Second position goes to Fatima Mumtaz from Fatima House. And first position goes to Ahmed Jamil from Sassain House. Fatima Mumtaz. She has secured second position in class 1E. And the first position winner, Ahmed Jamil from Sassain House. He has scored 99.51%. Next class is class 2A. Third position goes to Muzdalifa Waqas from Aisha House. Second position goes to Mohammad Rayyan Abid from Jawhar House. And first position goes to Ziman Suhail from Jawhar House. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happily encouraged these 9 hours. Now the position holders of class 2B. Third position goes to Mohammad Dan receiving his medal for third position in class 2B. Second position goes to Nehal Saud from Sarsarid House. Nehal Saud.
Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, as I have already requested, please remain sitting here. At the end, you will inshallah listen a very inspiring speech from our chief guest, Air Master Arshad Mahmood Khalil. I request all kindly to remain sitting here. Some of the parents are leaving the moment their sons or daughters take the prize. I request, please remain sitting here. Thank you very much.
Mohammad Hasham from Aisha House is receiving his medal for first position in class 2D. Now the position holders of class 2D, Mohammad Ali Talib achieves third position. He represents Jinnah House. Second position goes to Dua Fatima from Fatima House. And first position goes to Zainab Noor from Sarsarid House. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a class of scholars because first position is shared by two students and the other student is Hania Iman from Jinnah House. Please clap for them. Next we have the position holders of class 2F. Third position goes to Mubashir Ismaili from Jinnah House.
Please camera side.
Mubashir Ismaili. Second position goes to Hussein Akram from Sarsarid House. Hussein Akram. And first position goes to Mirha Fatima from Johar House. Now students from different sections of class 3 would come and receive their medals. Class 3A. Third position goes to Aiza Ramzan from Jinnah House. Second position goes to Muhammad Hussain from Fatima House. Ladies and gentlemen, we need your clapping throughout the ceremony. And first position goes to Isa Shehbaz from Aisha House. Isa Shehbaz, first position holder in class 2-3A. Now the position holders of class 3B. Third position goes to Harim Yunus from Iqbal House. Second position goes to Fatima Nasir from Jinnah House. Fatima Nasir is approaching to receive a medal. And first position goes to Sara Shehzad from Johar House. Sara Shehzad. Position holders of class 3C. Third position goes to Yusra Jamshed from Sarsarid House. Yusra Jamshed. Second position goes to Aman Suhail from Iqbal House. Aman Suhail. And first position goes to Hashir Usman from Sarsarid House. Ladies and gentlemen, Hashir Usman. Second position goes to Ishal Fatima from Jawhar House. And first position goes to Amina Hussain from Sassaid House. Position holders of class 3E. Third position goes to Zainab Khalid from Jawhar House. Zainab Khalid is receiving her medal. Second position goes to Zuha Mustafa from Aisha House.
मोबाइल लगा हुआ
Zuha Mustafa.
ठीक है चलिए।
And first position goes to Huria Rafi from Jawhar House. Huria is another young talent. Now position holders of different sections of class 4. Starting in class 4A, third position goes to Hamad Babar from Aisha House. Second position goes to Amna Jamil from Aisha House. And first position goes to Amna Kashif from Sassaid House. Now the position holders of class 4B would come and receive their medals. Third position goes to Abdul Rafi, Sassaid House. Second position goes to Hadia Ahmad, Sassaid House. Hadia Ahmad. And first position goes to Abiha Fatima from Jinnah House. Now the position holders of class 4C. Third position goes to Muhammad Hamas Hassan from Jawhar House. Second position goes to Armin Suhail from Jinnah House. Please clap for Armin. Hamas is leaving the stage. Armin Suhail. And first position goes to Aiza Nawaz from Sassaid House. Position winners of class 4D. Third position goes to Maham Edwin from Fatma House. Second position goes to Ahmed Abdullah from Fatma House. Ahmed Abdullah. And first position goes to Muhammad Ibrahim from Sassaid House.
इधर आ जाइए थोड़ा
And now the position holders of class 4E. Third position goes to Rana Muhammad Alam from Iqbal House. Second position goes to Muhammad Umair from Jinnah House. Muhammad Umair is receiving his medal. And first position goes to Zainab Naseem from Fatma House. Now the position holders of different sections of class 5. Class 5A. Third Abdullah Nabi. Position holders of class 5B. Third position goes to Hassan Salman from Iqbal House. Second position goes to Abdul Khalid from Iqbal House. And first position goes to Muhammad Afghan from Sasayed House. Position holders of class 5C. Third position goes to Aman Haq from Jinnah House. Second position goes to Muhammad Hussain Ilahi from Iqbal House. And first position goes to Abdul Muiz from Sasayed House. Abdul Muiz is receiving his medal for the first position in his class. Position holders of class 5B. Third position goes to Muhammad Mohsin Asif from Jinnah House. Second position goes to Ahmed Mahmood from Johar House. Please clap for our position holders. First position goes to Taqi Abdul Rafi from Palma House. Now the position holders of class 5B. Third position goes to Iman Fatima. Second position goes to Abiha Nabi from Palma House. And first position goes to Irsa Nasir from Aisha House. And position holders of class 5F. Third position goes to Samama Muslim from Palma House. Second position goes to Aiza Imran from Aisha House. And first position goes to Manal Fatima from Jinnah House. Manal Fatima has also secured overall first position in class 5. Ladies and gentlemen, she has been consistently performing from playground to class 5 in academics and co-curricular activities. She has been excellent throughout her journey in junior section. She's a good student at studies, athletics and speeches. Please give her a big round of applause. Manal Fatima from Jinnah House for an overall first position. This is all from prize distribution of junior section. Mrs. Shafatara will take you through the next set of prizes.
Thank you. The road to success is always under construction. You make your road to be very long, dotted with such memorable days again and again. On the behalf of girls section, I extend lots of best wishes to the students of junior section and congratulations to the proud parents of all the position holders. Congratulations once again. Now it's the time we acknowledge the talent of the students of the girls section. Ladies and gentlemen, today I feel privileged and honored to announce the names of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud by showing outstanding performance. I would like to start with class 6A. Kiran Fatima got third position in 6A by scoring 96.67% marks. Tanya Umair got second position in the same section Melissa Imran from 6B has secured third position. Melissa Fatima, second position in 6B.
बेटा सामने देखो
Zarba Halim, third in 6B. Sorry, Melissa Fatima, second in 6B, and Zarba Fatima, first in 6B. Zarba Fatima has got first position in 6B, and she has scored 96.0% marks. Now moving on to class 6C, Arfan B has got third position in her section. Fatima Zahra has got second position in 6C. And Anand Fatima has got first position in 6C. Anand Fatima has gone to perform Umrah, so her grandfather, proud grandfather, will receive her medal and certificate. Please put your hands together for a huge cheer. Grandfather of Anand Fatima from 6C is receiving an award. She has secured 94.56% marks. Moving on to next class, from 7th A, Abiha Sajjad has got third position. Irza Asif has got second position in her section.
सर प्लीज
Dua Munawar. Irza is receiving her award.
बेटा सामने देखो
Dua Munawar, first in her section in 7th A, and she has secured 96.46% marks. These students deserve more clapping because they have toiled a lot to achieve this position. Wani Shahzad has got third position in 7B. Afaf Usman got second position in 7B. And Muskan Shahid has got first position in 7B, and she has secured 98.56% marks. Well done, Muskan. Well done, Muskan. Muskan will receive her medal. Nurul Huda.
प्लीज कैमरा साइड
Nurul Huda, third in 7C. Mudiba Fatima,
बेटा सामने देखो सामने देखिएगा
Mudiba Fatima, second in 7C. Aisha got first position. Aisha has got first position in her section and she has secured 98.66% marks. Well done. Moving on to next class, 8B. Ishal Bari, she has got third position in her section. Ishal Bari. Second position goes to Zimal Babar. Zimal Babar. She has got second position 8B. And Abira Hassan. Abira Hassan got first position in her section. Moving on to next section, 8C. Third position goes to Saleh Ajmal. Saleh Ajmal, third in her section. Second position, Sahrish Fatima. And first position goes to Umayma Ashraf and she has scored 97.78% marks. Moving on to towards the next class, where I announce names of the top 5 position holders of the students in annual board examination of FSC Part 1, and here I announce names. Mariam Sal, she got first position in FSC Part 1 board examination. Laila Razak, fourth in FSC Part 1 board examination.
आप बच्चों को बात नहीं करते क्या वीडियो चेक करते
Third position, Maya Saheed. Safa Zahid. Safa Zahid got second position in FSC Part 1 board examination. Vishal Salim, she got first position in FSC board examination. FSC Part 1 board examination in Hatia College. Regularity is a key trait of all the successful people. It is an outstanding quality, and the students who adopt this habit at an early age, they are bound to succeed in every field of life. Be regular, work hard, and make history. Once again, congratulations to all the position holders and their parents. That's all from girls section.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys section, you all have been very appreciated. Without any more delay, I would like to announce the results of class 6A. Third position, Muhammad Haris Khan from Ghazali House. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Haris Khan. Second position, Master Muhammad Fazan from Ghazali House. Position second. The student is Master Muhammad Yahya Bari from Johar House. Now, ladies and gentlemen, first position in class 60, Master Ali Haidar from Asghar Chaudhary House. Now comes the turn of class 7A, third position, Master Muhammad Ibrahim. Second position, Master Hashim Imran from Iqbal House. And now, ladies and gentlemen, first position, Master Ahmad Bilal from Duli House. Class 7B. Position third, House Shahbaz. And the name of the student is Master Muhammad Hadi. Second position, Master Sudesh Kashif from Sasayed House. Master Muhammad Wazani from Jaharaj. Now, ladies and gentlemen, first position in Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Faisalabad class first year. First position goes to Master Muhammad Talha Tane. Give a huge round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that under SPARCO, Sadal College Faisalabad conducted Space Week in October 2024. And Alhamdulillah, under the supervision and guidance of worthy principal Professor Akhtar Rasool and the hard work of our teachers and students, we have been declared best institute in Space Week in Pakistan. It is indeed a matter of pride for us. I would like to request Air Marshal Ashraf Mahmood Malik kindly to give the shield to worthy principal Professor Akhtar Rasool. Give a huge round of applause, please. SPARCO also recognized the efforts of the section heads. Now the shield will be given to all the section heads of Sadal College Faisalabad. I once again request Chief Guest Air Marshal Ashraf Mahmood Malik kindly to give away the shield to the section heads of Sadal College Faisalabad. Give a huge round of applause, please.
Good job, sir. You're doing a great job.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, at the end, college souvenir will be presented to the chief guest of today's ceremony, Air Marshal Ashraf Mahmood Malik. Sir, this souvenir will remind you of love that you once came to Sadal College Faisalabad and honored us to be the chief guest of annual investiture ceremony session 2024 and 25. May I now request Air Marshal Ashraf Mahmood Malik kindly to say a few words. I would request all present kindly to stand in honor of the chief guest, Air Marshal Ashraf.
मैं सबसे पहले तो प्रिंसिपल साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये इज्जत बख्शी। मैं इस्लामाबाद से आया हूँ और मेरा आने का सिर्फ एक मकसद था, वो ये था कि मेरा अपना ताल्लुक भी फैसलाबाद से है। मैं यहाँ मुस्लिम टाउन में रहता हूँ। मैं देखना चाह रहा था कि हमारे फैसलाबाद में एजुकेशन के लिए क्या किया जाए। और प्रोफेसर साहब, मैं आपके स्टाफ की, आपके वाइस प्रिंसिपल साहब की और आपके तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ, जितनी मेहनत से उन्होंने आज का ये फंक्शन अरेंज किया और जितनी माइन्यूट डिटेल मैंने देख रहा था कि एक टीचर खड़ी हुई थी तो उन्होंने एक बच्ची को कहा, बेटा जाके ना वो फ्रिल्स सही कर देना। फिर एक टीचर खुद आए और उन्होंने टी का जो लेटर था उसको ठीक किया। ये सिर्फ ये वाज़ेह करता है कि आप लोग कितनी डिटेल्स में जाते हैं और ये डिटेल में जाना बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। ख़ास तौर पे उन पेरेंट्स के लिए मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि बड़ा अच्छा उन्होंने टैबलो में बताया कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ नंबर ही लें, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम बच्चों की तरबियत भी करें। मैं जानबूझ के उर्दू में बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे पता है आप लोगों की इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी होगी, बट मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि आज अगर हम अपने बच्चों पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो वो इन्वेस्टमेंट कल हमारे लिए फ्रूटफुल होगी, बजाय इसके कि हम आज के दौर में जैसे हम सारे हैं कि हम सिर्फ लोगों पे तंज करें, इल्ज़ाम करें या इल्ज़ाम तराशी करें। हमारा मकसद है इन बच्चों को इनकरेज करना, इन्वॉल्व होना। आपकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट से ये अरफा करीम भी पैदा हो सकती है। आप देखिए, अरफा करीम हमारे फैसलाबाद की बेटी थी, मैं उनके वालिदैन को भी जानता हूँ। तो बच्चे तब ग्रूम करते हैं जब वालिदैन उनके साथ खड़े हों। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि प्रिंसिपल साहब की ज़ेर निगरानी और बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नेंस के जो मेंबर्स हैं, टीचर्स को हम इनकरेज करना चाहिए। मेरी टीचर से दरख्वास्त है कि बेटा अगर आप इन बच्चों को अपना सासा समझेंगे तो कल आप किसी पे इल्ज़ाम नहीं देंगे। अगर आज हम हालात देखते हैं, अगर आज हम मुल्क के हालात में अबतली देखते हैं तो उसकी वजह सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक है कि हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम ठीक नहीं हो रहा, हम बच्चों पे तवज्जो नहीं दे रहे। अगर हम तालीम को एक को ठीक कर दें इंशाअल्लाह, तो आप देखें इस मुल्क में बिल्कुल खुशहाली आ सकती है, क्योंकि ये ज़िंदगी एक चैलेंज है। It is not a state life that me and you are going to pass through. So on this canvas, whatever you draw today, it is going to come out as a mature product. So this canvas is today in your hands. If you can draw everything nice and proper, inshallah. और इस कैनवस का ये आजकल हमारे बच्चे जो हैं, मैं सर से पूछ रहा था कि सर बच्चे तो नहीं, उनके बच्चे नहीं, लेकिन मेरा बच्चों को ये मैसेज आपने ज़रूर देना है अपने बच्चों को कि हमारे बच्चे आजकल कहते हैं कि लेट्स चिल आउट। सारे लड़के जो बच्चे हैं वो कहते होंगे चिल, तो चिल तब आती है जब आप उसके स्किल करते हैं। अगर आप बच्चों में स्किल लें, उनके अंदर विल पैदा कर दें, देन दे आर अलाउड टू चिल आउट। सो चिल का जो फैक्टर है, आस्क देम दैट लिंक इट विद विल एंड स्किल। विल उनके अंदर आपने पैदा करनी है, स्किल आपने ग्रूम करनी है, और इंशाल्लाह वो दिन दूर नहीं जब हम अपने मुआशरे को बेहतर से बेहतर करना शुरू कर देंगे। एक कंडीशन है, अगर हम अपना अपना हिस्सा डालते चले जाएं। मैं समझूं मेरा हिस्सा क्या, मैं एक रिटायर्ड आदमी हूँ, मुझे तो इन्होंने इज्जत दे दी तो मैं आ गया, लेकिन मेरा हिस्सा ये था कि मैं अपने स्कूल में आपके बच्चों को इनकरेज कर सकूं। आप पेरेंट्स हैं, आपका हिस्सा ये है कि आप बच्चों को मैसेज दें कि ठीक, और बच्चों को डिस्करेज ना करें। हर बच्चा डॉक्टर नहीं बनेगा, हर बच्चा इंजीनियर नहीं बनेगा, हर बच्चा मे बी पायलट भी ना बने। आजकल आप वैसी फ़ौज के ख़िलाफ़ हैं, फ़ौज इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है। आफ्टर ऑल वी आर अमंग यू, सो वी हैव टू लुक एट दिस फ्रॉम होल एस्पेक्ट। And what is the whole aspect? That what is happening in this society. So don't look towards others. Look what I can do for this country, what I can do for my kids, what I can do for my people. Similarly, मैं एक दफ़ा फिर सर आपकी वसातत से आपके टीचर्स के लिए huge round of applause. You people are really doing a great job. It's not a difficult assignment. You know, टर्की में जब जो टीचर्स का सिस्टम है, या दूसरे टर्की में सिस्टम ये है कि टीचर्स जब सिलेक्ट होते हैं तो उनकी सिलेक्शन बहुत पहले हो जाती है और उन टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग शुरू हो जाती है। फिर उनको पहले अपने स्कूल में रखते हैं, अपने दूर अफ्तादा गाँव में रखते हैं, फिर शहर में लेके आते हैं। हमारे यहाँ वो सिस्टम नहीं है, लेकिन जिस सिस्टम में आप रह रहे हैं, आप सिर्फ ये समझें कि आपने अपना हिस्सा अदा करना है, अपना हक अदा करना है, और हम सब मिल के अपनी अपनी कैपेसिटी में वी विल ट्राई आवर लेवल बेस्ट दैट वी कैन ग्रूम दीज यंग किड्स एंड वी डोंट कंप्लेन फ्रॉम अदर्स, वी चेक एंड चैलेंज आवरसेल्फ। Sir, once again, thank you very much. Mir Sahab, thank you very much. And teachers, thank you.
Sir, on behalf of the principal, staff and students of Sandal College, Faisalabad, I thank you, Sir Air Marshal Arshad Mahmood Malik.
ये बहुत ही प्यारे खूबसूरत जो इवेंट था उसका इख्तिताम हुआ, और बच्चे, उनके पेरेंट्स, तमाम मुस्कुराहटें बिखेरते हुए घरों को जा रहे हैं, और जो पोजीशन होल्डर्स हैं उनके चेहरों पर बड़ी मुस्कुराहट हैं, और जो बच्चे पोजीशन नहीं ले सके वो बड़े मोटिवेट हैं कि नेक्स्ट में इंशाल्लाह ताला वो पोजीशन लेंगे। जी।